So, anyway, thank you very much po sa another event natin dito sa office na talagang we looking forward na dumami pa tayo. Invite tayo, no? So, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga guests ngayon from Cavite. Where's Cavite? Thank you po. Talagang na-motivate kayo ni Jello, no? Yan yan ay anak-anakan ko rin yan, no? So, first of all, pasalamatan natin yung ating bantay, yung ating bibi. Yan, si Sir Rem Romero. Makabarinig ni Bibi Jaime, no? Pangalawa ka na lang, Sir. So, anyway, thank you, Sir. Kahit pa paano, maliit man kami, nag-i-start kami sa maliit, lalaki rin kami. So, thank you sa ating Ilit, kay Team Ilit Pabo, Aubrey. Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Parang nag-lag ako, no? So, nag-lag yung aking internet. So, especially, ang aking special guest. May special guest po ako ngayon. From Lopez, Quezon. Yan. Galing na po siya ng Lopez, Quezon. So, mamaya maririnig niyo yung kwento niya. No? So, para maka-inspire po. Na talagang lumuwas pa po siya ng Maynila para maka-avail uli ng isang bote para sa mother niya. At the same time, sinabihan ko na rin po siya, can you share a little bit? Sabi na po, tita, wala. So anyway, sabi ko, tayo lang naman. Kasi para makapag-inspire din po tayo dito sa mga hindi pa nakaka-take, no? So, mamaya po yan. So, ngayon, ang event natin ngayon ay may product presentation po tayo. Usually, yun po talaga ang culture ng Riway, no? Every Thursday dito sa Manila at Tuesday sa Pampanga. So, ito sana yung suportahan natin kasi ito po yung team natin, no? So, anyway, salamat po sa mga nagpaunlak, no? So, to begin, kasi hindi ko naman, no need ko na po sabihin ng aking journey dito sa Riway. Pero, most of all of you, alam na po yung aking story, no? So, para hindi na tayo humaba kasi limited lang po yung ating oras, no? Saka para kung meron pa tayong mga question and answer o may tanong kayo, kung may time pa, sasagutin po ng ating Team Ilit Pabo, Ma'am Aubrey. Okay. So, anyway, start tayo sa ating product presentation ngayon, no? Alam nyo itong ating magiging speaker ngayon, buti nga siya, 1 year lang siya bago pa, na-convince matindi ito, 1 year. Ako po, 5 years. O, laban kayo? So, ang maganda dito, alam niyo po yung kahit bata pa, may dreams na. May dreams na siya. So, ano yung kanyang naging motivation para ito 1 year bago niya pinagbigyan yung kanyang kaibigan, no? Nag-takes a lot of headache siya noon dahil yung kanyang grandmother muna ang nag-try ng product. No? Kasi siyempre, ikaw ang apo, ikaw ang anak. Pag nakita mo yung parents mo, kaya yung lola mo na nagsasuffer sa illness, di ba? Kung lalo na kung lumaki ka sa lola mo. No? So, I admire this, boy. Boy, no? Boy talaga, no? Kasi, ang aking mga anak kasi iniwan ko sa parents ko na mga bata pa talagang they took care of my parents. Talagang, at the young age, nakapagtrabaho na rin siya, no? At 23 years old, imagine mo, alam ko mga 40, 50s lang yung nag-i-insurance company, nag-i-agent siya. Ganon ka ang kanyang motivation na makatulong. Makatulong sa parents, makatulong sa lola, at nag-BPO, rin wala siya, nasa industry siya ng BPO. no? At imagine niyo, ang ganda ng kanyang ano. Ang last job niya is quality analyst.
Wow.
Ano ba yung na-analyst dito? Kaya, yung kanyang speaking ability, napakaganda. At napakinggan ko na siya last Wednesday natin, last Saturday, no? Siya yung ating testimony o nag-ano rin siya, no? At ganun talaga, yung mga leaders ngayon, try to practice, do the product presentation, no? Kasi this Reway platform at ang ating company, if you already have the account, this is already your business, no? Kami na mga leaders dito na pwede yung lapitan how we start the business, no? So, hindi na natin pahabain pa kasi baka ang ating speaker ngayon, no? Pero I believe this person. Hindi naman kailangan mas matanda give you respect. Even younger age, you have to respect, no? So, okay? Ready na pa kayo sa ating product presenter ngayon? Yes! Okay. Isa pa nga ng yes, yung 100 people? Yes! Okay, so, please welcome our product presenter this morning, Matthew Bionso.
Good morning po to everyone here in the room. Isa pang malakas na good morning! Ayan, so thank you po for starters, Doc Gemma, for introducing me well here in the stage and to also share what the product has to offer. Also, I would like to thank our lovely and hardworking Team Elite Pavo, Aubrey Alvis, for always handling us and making sure that we are well taken care of. And make sure that everyone here in the room is also that eager in terms to understanding and sharing what health has really got to offer. Hindi po ba? So, for starters, para sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, a brief introduction. So, ako po si Joseph Matthew Leoncio and over a year in Reway, tinatry ko talaga i-understand and mag-deep dive ba sa kung ano ba talaga yung company na to. And yun nga, sabi ng partner ko, sobrang hirap daw akong i-convince. Imagine nyo yun, partner ka, pero ang hirap na i-convince sa isang bagay, di ba? Meron po ba tayong mga ganun ng partner dito?
Ako!
So ako lang. Parang nakakahiya. Baba nakahiya ako sa stage. Pero ayun po, to share lang naman, I've worked in the BPO for almost 4 years. And after my 2 years in the industry, I was able to land or get promoted as a quality analyst. So ano po ba yung trabaho ng quality analyst? So very keen po ako when it comes to information. So kumbaga yun yung credibility ko eh. Yun yung something na pinapakita ko sa tao na ito yung tama. So, and now, I've given a chance. Thank you, by the way, to the team and Rich and Miss Aubrey for allowing me to speak here on the stage. It's truly an honor and to also be able to share the product as well. Before I start the product opportunity, I'd like to take you all to a journey wherein yung ako pa lang na-experience ko na. Kasi being in the BPO industry, normal po talaga ang mga taong nagkakasakit. Tapos sa amin, umaabot na lang sa point na sinasabi ng mga ahente ko na kahit may sakit, pasok tayo. May OT, may incentives, may pera, gano'n. So, nakakalimutan na natin, di ba, yung sarili natin and yung alagaan, di ba? Isa lang naman ang katawan natin. So, I hope na alagaan pa natin and to preserve the quality of life. Hindi po ba? Hindi po ba yun ang goal natin dito lahat na nandito sa room na to? Can I get a yes from everyone here in the room right now? Ayan, di ba? Nabuhay na tayong lahat. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Okay, so I'm gonna be start the product opportunity right now. So here in this slide, we can see here that the World Health Organization, in a recent survey back in 2022, an epidemiological survey, they noticed that 74% of these top 10 killer diseases, the people have died. Etong 10 top killer diseases na din sa stage na to, ito ang pumatay doon sa 74% of the population back in 2022. So, ang laking percent ng deaths ay kinalaman dito. With the first and foremost na nakita nyo dyan is yung heart disease. Meron naman siguro tayo makakilala, no? Either heart enlargement, mga ganon, or heart disease talaga. And mataas ang mortality rate nila, pero we hope now this product can help them significantly as well. So, and you will also notice here sa survey that the lower portion are respiratory diseases like lower respiratory infections, COPD, lung cancer, tuberculosis, and the World Health Organization tried to figure out the reason as to why. Like, why are these the top 10 killer diseases back in 2022? And they were able to find out that the reason for all of this is due to no actual cure for these top 10 killer diseases, which is also known as a bottleneck crisis, wherein medical fields are struggling to cope with these top 10 killer diseases back in 2022 due to the aging population, wrong diet, inevitable stress, and pollution. So di po ba, ang daming factors na nakaka-affect sa ating quality of life. And imagine if this was in 2022, what more now? Hindi po ba? What more now ang mga nararamdaman natin na sakit or yung nararamdaman natin na karamdaman na nakaka-affect sa ating pamumuhay? Hindi po ba? And now, a lot of people are wondering or probably all of your questions right now are, what is stem cell? Okay. Now, stem cell, in simpler terms, is a byproduct of the of the sperm cell from the dad or the father and the ovum of the mother. And once it fuses or combines, it will generate into a stem cell. So it undergoes this process. Okay. And eventually, this stem cell is the building blocks of our body. So meaning to say po, by building blocks, ito po yung natural properties ng ating katawan wherein na bubuo yung nerve cells, yung heart stem cell, and so on. Okay? And then, recent medical journals, scientific literature, and other aspects in the medical field, researchers, biologists, or doctors are amazed by how stem cell is actually a breakthrough of science in the medical industry. And now, they notice that this is also a unstoppable medical science trend created since the stem cell had emerged. So you will see here literature wherein or data, okay, na pinapakita na stem cell has the ability to help and also significantly help those that are in need. All right. Now, if you are someone or a person that has connections, madaming pera, di ba? Di po ba yun ang goal dito? Tsaka, mamaya na yun. Pero kung marami kayong connection, marami kayong pera, at marami kayong oras sa mundo, pwede niyong libutin lahat ng yan, nakikita ko. Kasi syempre, option pa rin naman natin, di ba? Pwede niyong libutin lahat ng yan. I mean, kung marami kayong pera, pwede kayo pumunta sa Switzerland, tapos doon kayo mag-undergo ng process ng placenta injection na ino-offer ng mga hospitals doon sa country na yon. And then, imagine, mag-book pa kayo ng flight, diba? Which is costly and time-consuming. And then, before kanila injectionan ng placenta or stem cell, undergo ka pa ng screening wherein i-check pa nila kung compatible and able yung katawan mo to withstand the stem cell injection. Or, if urgent needs naman, meron naman tayo dito sa Philippines, like mga medical hospitals, I believe one in Makati, na nag-offer ng stem cell transplant. Their entire second floor is dedicated for stem cell treatment. And they ensure that the stem cell is injected at the point of trauma for the body to naturally receive the stem cells. Or possibly, if you are a pregnant woman and you would like to preserve the umbilical cord, you may have that option through the use of cord blood banking. And with the cord blood banking, what usually happens is they would preserve the umbilical cord and store it, or preserve, of course, within 20 years. However, there is a sad fact about that kasi most chronic or terminal diseases naturally manifest after 20 years. So meaning to say, after, or if preserve nyo yung umbilical cord ng 20 years, and then yung symptoms na mararamdaman nyo sa katawan is mag-a-appear lang or magpapakita lang after 20 years. So hindi na siya magagamit ni baby. Okay? And then, we also have an option naman where there are beauty salons who offer stem cell injection. However, we need to know as well that there is a possibility that these practitioners are not that professional in terms of servicing us with that stem cell injection, or maybe they aren't that licensed as well. So we have to keep that in mind. Okay? And then the fifth one here is through the use of healthy lifestyle. Before I go here further, I'd like to ask everyone in the room, lahat po ba tayo here ay nag-exercise?
Yes, walking.
Yes, walking. Sabi na ni Doc Gemma, perfect. Zumba! Another wonderful example. Gusto ko yan. Di ba, Mami, mag-Zumba tayo? Ganon. Pero we have to ensure that while we are doing these normal routines, is that we are also eating a proper diet and ensuring that our lifestyle is maintained through consistency. Hindi po ba? So, I guess the question that I'm trying to ask, lahat ba tayo consistent doon? Aminado na tayo. Pakitaas ang kanang kamay ng mga taong consistent sa healthy lifestyle nila. Hello, walang tumaas. Ilan na lang tayo dito. Charot. Pero, of course, this is a reminder din to also take care of your health. Okay? And then, lastly is the use of adult stem cell banking, wherein the stem cell of the adult is extracted from the bone marrow and then it's centrifuged and then placed back. It's supposed to help, but it's also known for its invasiveness. So that's why the question here now, kung bakit ko tinalaki lahat na nandito sa slide na to, is there any convenient, efficient, and affordable way of receiving stem cell? I'd like to think so because our alpha laboratories in New Zealand, in New Zealand has perfected our capsule of oral stem cell capsule with modern technology. So it undergoes a process wherein it's super critical under the technology of supercritical extraction, wherein it's 99% of its biological activity is maintained. And with the help of freeze drying or cryogenics, it can last up to a shelf life of 3 to 4 years. All right, and then to make sure that it's not rancid, it's filled with nitrogen, and then it's also has enteric-coated technology wherein the stem cell or the capsule, when ingested, it won't be dissolved easily by the stomach and ensures that it's goes through the small intestine so that it can be absorbed better. And with the help of emulsification technology, it allows the molecules to be absorbed better and the biosef technology as well. Now, this is the next slide here that you will notice is ancient sayings of treasures in a deer. Now, in China, the deer is actually known for its medicinal purposes. Kasi ang deer sa kanila, when the deer eats something poisonous or that can harm them, it naturally lays down and it ends its own life. So, however, ito po yung mga examples na pwedeng pagkuhanan ng stem cell from the deer, like the tail, sinew, pizzle, blood, heart, and skin. But mainly, we're gonna focus sa placenta and sa velvet of the deer. Okay? And then, Reway has patents for these 5 ingredients that is shown here on this slide. By patents, meaning to say it's exclusive to Reway. And then these patented ingredients are known to ensure that the body can actually regenerate itself more with the help of these 5 ingredients. Let's start off. So we have here Cervicenta. It's known for its 99% multi-potent. So meaning to say, if you have questions whether the deer is efficient sa ating katawan, yes, because it's stem cell. Hello? Because it's stem cell and it's supposed to help in meaning to say your body would recognize it and it won't be kumbaga hindi siya papaalisin, hindi ko maano yung tamang term, pero hindi siya i-reject. Thank you, Mr. Hindi siya i-reject ng inyong katawan because it's a stem cell, it's the building blocks of the body. And now we have the placenta. This is extracted, or stem cells are extracted from the tip of the antler of the male deer. It's known for its regenerative properties as well. And we have ginseng, a ginseng that is harvested from the volcanic soils in New Zealand, and it's known for its properties that helps in brain activity. And then we have axertone, which is a lynchy type mushroom. It's known for It's anti-aging properties because it literally, or kumbaga, siya yung just shut down ng isang specific gene na known sa ating mga katawan na nagsastop ng aging, or it can help in the aging process. And we have Uniclavim for its antioxidant and natural painkiller as well. Now, why am I telling you all of this? Because all of the things that I have mentioned to everyone here in the room, and up until the very first slide, if you would notice, I was actually secretly talking about health. All that I have shared with you right now is what we need to stay healthy and maintain the highest form of quality of life. Okay? So, in other terms, the ideal standard should be one product for all of your health benefits. So, imagine nyo na lang, gigising ko na maaga, kasi may kilala ako, na gumigising ng umaga, tapos, kailangan niyang i-prepare ang iti-take niyang gamot every day, na parang, eto, sa umaga, mga 8 a.m., inumin ko ito, tapos ito pa. Isasabay ko pa ng ito, 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Na literally, ako, pagising ko sa umaga, kumakain na ako kasi gutom na ako at magpe-prepare ako sa shift. Siya, nag-iisip pa siya na kung ano iti-take niya isa-isa. Hindi po ba nakaka-stress yun? Nakaka-stress siya kung iisipin. Kasi alam ko pinagdadaanan niya. Lola ko siya, di ba? Naka-highlight ko naman si Mami. Pero anyways, I mean, imagine nyo na lang. Parang cellphone lang din. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng calculator, mismo calculator lang. Meron naman yung cellphone. Hindi nyo kailangan ng actual na camera para mag-take ng pictures. Kung may camera naman kayo sa phone, hindi nyo kailangan mag-search sa internet ng it's portable and efficient. Hindi po ba? So that should be the ideal standard of our health supplements in order to maintain our healthy living and our quality of life. Our goal is to preserve it, not to dampen it or sirain. Hindi po ba? Okay. Aside from the 5 patented ingredients, we've also integrated these formulation into the capsule to further improve the quality of life and maintain healthy living, okay? So we have brown seaweed here, apple extract and tomato extract helps in the aging or anti-aging properties. Marine collagen evening primrose oil helps in hormonal imbalances as well. Squalene avocado oil, borage oil, and aloe vera extract also helps in anti-aging. So, a lot of these benefits na hindi ko po masabi yung iilan, pero imagine nyo na lang, all of that into one capsule. Hindi po ba? I mean, ilagay nyo sarili nyo sa posisyon na parang maging healthy talaga. Kaya ba natin kumain ng sandamakmak na apples? Hindi po ba nakakapagod din yun? Nakakapagod yun. At saka sure ako, an apple a day lang. Pero imagine nyo, ang mahal, tas ang dami pa. Hindi naman natin mauubos yun. So ayun, all of that is included in the capsule itself. And then, before I end the opportunity, I'd like to highlight as well, ito po yung survey back in 2019 that are known for the leading causes of death back then. Okay, so hindi natin pwedeng i-disregard na ang top one here talaga is cardiovascular disease. Hindi pa dyan nakasama yung mga murder, yung mga suicide, or yung mga epidemics na wherein heart talaga yung nangunguna dito sa survey. So please, I hope that everyone here knows a little bit more about the product, the opportunity it has to offer, and also the benefits that it can give, especially to those na chine-cherish natin sa buhay natin. like our families, our friends. Hindi man tayo yung makapagsabi sa kanila directly, pero let us be like their reminders. Someone that that could tap them on the shoulder and say, hey, you need to take care of your health too. You only live once. Why not cherish it to the fullest? Hindi po ba?
Yes.
Correct. So, and with that, I end my sharing. Thank you so much.
Yan ha, batang-bata. Talagang, alam niyo po,